If you're the kind of person where you're prone to being really hard on yourself, my advice would be check into that. Why is that? What is it that you keep telling yourself? Would you talk to a friend that way? Would you talk to a family member that way? Why do you talk to yourself that way? Yet we do it all the time. Check into that mindset that you have. Are you being unnecessarily hard on yourself? Is it actually that, yeah, you really are lacking knowledge on something and you need to work with a coach or you need to do some training to learn some new skills? Maybe. Or have you got enough to go by with the time being, and really what you need is you need the guidance, you need the support, you need the mentorship. Nothing is going to make you feel more unhappy than feeling like you're not where you're supposed to be by now and that everyone else is having an easier ride than you are. I promise you it's not the case. I work with over 40 cleaning companies all across the UK and even abroad, the US, Australia, Europe, right? People struggle. People have great weeks, they have bad weeks. It's all very normal. But do check into that. If you're being really hard on yourself, is it warranted?